Let me share my screen. Hope you guys can see my screen. Yeah. Cool. All right. Let's get started. Today is 18th February, and we are in class API meeting for IBMCloud. As usual, we'll get started with the agenda. Let me just create the template. Make sure you register your attendance. Post this call. I think we'll go to the regular flow. Understand what has been delivered in the last couple of weeks. I think last meeting we held it on 4th Feb. Yeah, not a lot of changes. I see some UT for the set provider ID. There's a bump. It's a bump for Golang. Okay, and then there's a doc change happened for local development environment, I believe. Oh, this is for the tilt and all that. Okay, cool. Good to see that more and more doc is getting updated. That's a good news. Cool. Yeah, make sure like who is using or working on newly. So make sure you just follow the docs. Any simple thing if you're not able to follow, so there's always a scope for improvement. So please make sure create an issue or update, especially like Anshuman. I think you're one of the new member here, so make sure you report all the issues to or enhance the doc, right? So I think we need more helping hands there. And then there is this update feature request template. So it's mostly like, the template what we are using for creating the issue and then whatnot. Good. So we have enhanced that part. Nice. And then, yeah, there was some failure for Powi's Cloud Control Manager. Yeah, Prajot, any idea why it was failing?
Yes, ma'am. So initially when we were doing Docker build-x, right? So we were not loading into the image, right? So it was treating whatever was generated as a manifest itself. And when actually were going to create the final manifest, it was saying that whatever you have created already for existing the specific architecture tags is a manifest. That's why it was failing. So now I have tweaked the logic to once you build it using build-x, we are loading it into the Docker. So basically, what the end output that will be, we will be getting it as individual architecture images. And once those images are loaded, we push them to the artifactory as needed. And then finally, we create the manifest. And those images are now treated as actual images and not manifest. Yeah, so that is working fine now. And also the commit is updated now. So earlier the commit was pretty old. Now we are using the commit which has latest 1.22 in
Yeah.
that trip. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel that the entire flow needs to be revisited. So I have a feeling that the stuff what is been used here is not something really like polished one. So yeah, because see, if you're doing already target platform, so again we are assigning arch, which is not really needed. So we can just do a target arc, which is good enough. Yeah, I mean, yes. Like, do you remember like we happen to create any task for revisiting this thing?
No, man, I can create one, but yeah.
Yeah, let's put visit the build process for CC image. I see there is more scope there. Okay. All right. And after that, update something else also. Oh yeah, I mean you changed the manifest pointing to a right commit. I also remember that we are supposed to create a task for promoting this CCM image, right? Did we create?
No, no, no. Yes, yes. We discussed about that. Yeah, correct. So
Okay.
currently we're using it from the staging and we need to move it to the registry.
CCM image. Did we create task for that? No.
I think a task is created for migration.
Okay. Okay. Did we? Okay. Fine. Yeah, I think we should definitely do that. So next thing is the release issue template description. That's more of a typo and then whatnot. That's fine. Cool. I think this is it. I think we have not pushed a lot of things. Yeah, I mean, there's a few more PRs to merge anyways. Um, that's good.
We
Somebody wants.
released we released 0.10.
Yeah. So we released 0.10 last week. I think this was the requirement from the OpenShift project. So they wanted to have a newer release with the Cappy new version. So I think that's why we released it. You know, little in hurry. Considering like not a lot of API changes, we pushed it anyways. I think we were good in terms of the release stuff. I think we didn't add a lot of major issues and then whatnot. I think it's fine. Um, that's good part. And also I tried my best to sort of give shadow, or I just walked through the release process with Prajot and the Kishan. Think maybe Kishan, sorry, Prajot. I think we need to find a way to, how do we enable you for the next release? Maybe
Yes.
um, what's it? Make Prajot ready for next release. Cut and whatever required. So let's keep track this and then follow up. All right. Yeah, maybe like Prajot, make sure you just follow. I hope we are creating tasks for all the created tasks for all the other
Yeah. Yes,
lab.
all the previous ones are created.
Ensure that you just create the task for these things as well. And
Yes.
it there. Okay. Yeah, let's ensure maybe next couple of weeks. Think we still have time, but let's make sure we get all the process sorted out for creating cutting the next release. I mean, like you should have all the permissions required.
Okay.
All right. That's one thing. And then backlogs. Yeah, we do have some backlog. And then this is 11.0. Let me see if what else is not no milestone stuff. Oh, there are a few already thought milestones. Container registry shutdown. So this needs to be addressed. Not a lot of work there. So I think they're going to do that part of their like the whole process. I think. By the way, so the background on this part is that the registry what we're using for the staging it will get the GCR data is getting deprecated. I think yeah, you need to use artifact registry or whatever. I think uh, KTS infra folks will take care of migrating this to artifact registry. The existing images. Yeah, not existing images and also like mostly the existing images and all that. Um, Yeah, I mean, just we need to validate and make sure it should all just work fine when they migrate, right? So that's what we're looking at. This should be targeted to, which is happening in next couple of weeks. This I'm not sure. Prajot, maybe what do you
Yes,
want to
for this we need to refer to the approach that Cafe is using, not entirely as such, but at least the local release note generation that we can copy paste the same release notes. I'll take a
add?
look
Okay.
into it, get some time. Yeah,
Yeah, I'll put it as next because we have good amount of items needs to be
correct.
fixed for this release. And this is Shuman already assigned. Shuman, so you want to do it in this release, which is 11.0, which is okay. By the way, I'll let you know the milestones so far. 11.0, 0.11.0 is planned for May, sometime May. You'll be comfortable doing it in that time frame. Is Anshuman there in the call? Anshuman, if you're speaking on mute.
Am I audible now?
Yep, yep.
Yeah, okay. This is a very minor change, Banju. So this is just like I was thinking of just triggering a GitHub issue every time the weekly trivia scan fails. That's it.
Yeah. Oh, you want to do it in this release itself? That case?
Oh yeah, I can do that.
Cool, perfect. I think that sounds good. So maybe yeah, we can create a issue. Fine. Explore how to fetch logs from machine. I don't know. This is a tricky part. I definitely don't want to target in this release. This involves some good amount of exploration. Definitely for next release. Okay, let's filter down by 11. Um, wow, so many issues. um, see, just only see 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, plenty of issues exist. Um, I need some help from someone to sort of track these issues. Like we might need to go to all the folks and then ping and then get the latest update on that. Like I don't know, do it in this meeting, by the way. So I think we can do this follow-up part post this meeting. Who want to take this up? I need some volunteer there. So just need to go and reach out to folks who are assigned and show like when are they going to deliver these things. Who can do it? I need some newbies. And Shuman, you want to take this up?
Yeah, sure. I can do that.
Yeah, let's do some follow-ups.
Okay, sure.
Okay, and next handle image promotion. Um, yeah,
So-
yeah, good.
no, I think this is the same thing that we discussed earlier.
Yeah, but who want to take this up? I heard somebody's who's exploring it. This one.
I can take this one.
Okay, so can you just go and then assign comment?
Yes.
Okay, so there's this generate right now the manifest what we are generating part of make release is not pointing to a it's more for like automation stuff which involves modify or using the right set of registry in the code. So who want to take this up? That's a minor one, by the way.
I can take it, Manju.
Cool. Sharat, can you just I mean, unfortunately, I cannot assign folks. Maybe just go and then write assign like comment in this issue so that it will get assigned.
Sure.
Release tracker. I think this is already some of these things are already. I'll just assign to Amulya. This is already doing it. Yeah, somewhere we need to sort of tag those tasks to in this issue. I think not all the tasks we are tagging properly. So I think that is required. Um, unknown manifest in release, fat manifest.
I'll
This
check
is
this.
okay, cool.
Not sure what happens there, but I'll check.
Yeah, all the best. Good. I think I have assigned a few things. Explore how to fetch them. Okay, this is in all next. I don't want to get into next because we already have a lot of things for the part 11. Anything missing? Okay, so ensure deletion of internal resource in the Power BI Express before. Assign terminal stuff. And this one is tricky. Yeah. I don't know what's happening there.
So if all the changes were VPC or mesh,
Yeah, I mean, like he needs to. I'm not sure. He's talking about some validation stuff and all that. I feel like Chris should come back on these things. Then, yeah, I mean, like I don't mind picking up those changes, but we already have a lot of things in our plate. Yeah, I think let's not lose the focus. Anyways, yeah, these are the stuff what we have in the backlog. CI/CD will quickly look into it. So I just want to put it in next couple of minutes. That's why I'm a little hurry. Sorry. Brow thing, we'll look at it. This is where we are running our tests. Why it is so slow? Oh wow, it's just failing. Hmm. What else? Yeah. I think, see, Prajot, we also need to find a way to sort of notify the folks. I know this is failing for quite some time. We haven't, looked at these things. Add a way to sort of monitor and then see what's going on. Yeah, I think let's find a way where we can discuss how do we want to do it. But definitely some more help needed there as well. Just failed. We don't know why it is failing. Let's create a task and discuss what do you want to, address this. Yeah, these are the high level stuff what we want to discuss today. Any questions or doubts or any point, any more points you want to make? Make sure you put your name here. What's this called? Anything else? Any last minute thing you want to discuss? All good? Anything from Slack, Zoom? Okay. If nothing else, then that's it. Thank you, folks.
Thanks, Manju.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.